Welcome back to our series all about creating a beauty influencer website with Wix. We're finally at the last step in the series, so if you've made it this far, that's awesome. Before we hit the publish button, we must run a comprehensive pre launch checklist. Let's make sure your site is perfect, functional, and ready to convert visitors into fans and partners. So on the Wix editor, click on the preview button. This will allow you to view and interact with your site just like a visitor would. And while previewing your site, make sure to do these things. Proofread your content. Make sure that there are no typos, no inaccuracies, etc. Make sure to check all of your page's content. Next, test all links and buttons. Make sure all of your links lead to the right places. Check all the links on each of your page. Test every form. If you have forms, make sure that your contact forms work, email subscriber form, and all other forms you have. You can try submitting a form to see if they work. Also, make sure to test your mobile site. Don't forget to preview your mobile site. You can do this by clicking this icon here. Make sure everything looks good and functions well on your mobile device, or on your mobile site as well. Check all of the pages on your mobile site. Test your links and forms there as well. Affiliate disclaimer check. Make sure that your affiliate disclaimers can easily be read, since this is a must in order to comply with the law, not just on here, but also on your blog posts or your tutorials. And finally, fix and preview until perfect. If you spot anything that needs to be fixed, jot them down immediately. Then go back to the Wix editor to fix those mistakes. Once you're done, preview your site again. Repeat this process until your site is perfect. And once all of those are taken care of, then you can go ahead and publish your site for the world to see. So, congratulations! Your professional site is now live and ready to attract brands, engage your audience, and grow your empire. Thank you for following this series. We hope it has been helpful, and for more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.